What is up, everybody? My name is Zach, and the channel is Zach's Cards. Today, we're going to open up a little repack product from 321 Cards Explosion. I know there's a graded slab in here, among other cards. So let's open this up and see what we got. Really quick shipping. Saw this on, I believe it was Jab's channel, if I remember. And I've seen other YouTubers open it. So why don't we open it and see what we got. I know he asked me what teams I liked. So he could send me a pack of cards. And I told him I like the Cubs and the A's. And this is really fast shipping. Though he is based in Chicago, and I'm based just outside Chicago. So, let's open these first. Edelman. Fernando Rondi. Windy City Warriors. Bryant, Topps Chrome. Matt Olson, Chrome. Ooh, look at that. Jake Snet. First Bowman Auto. From 2014. It's pretty cool. An auto's an auto. Sorry, Passon. Brad Inge. From 2012. Yonder Orlando. Wade Davis. And Matt Chapman. This is pack 96 out of 100. So there is a graded card in here. Obviously chase cards. Wrapped up nicely. Glenn Allen Hill Jr. first. Bowman. Ooh, a Zach Thompson auto from Leaf. I love Leaf products. This is numbered 7 out of 99. So it's either going to be a BGS auto, or a BGS graded card, or a PSA. A Michael Brantley. Ooh, a Ronald Acuna Jr. rookie debut. A Rob, what is that? Segden rookie card. This is out of 499 from Topps Chrome. 359 out of 499 from 2017. An auto's an auto. And why don't we cover this up? I feel like this is a BGS product. Nothing else in there. It is a BGS, it looks like. How am I going to do this? Let me see if I can find a little something. All right. It is a 9. Ooh, it is a Tim Lincecum. That is really cool. Rookie card. That's awesome. And this one is number 398 out of 1952. It's 1952 throwback Tim Lincecum rookie. God, he looks so young there. It's really cool. That's it for today. Hopefully this was a cool little product to show. And I'm excited. That's a nice little one to have. Put this in my collection. Hope everyone has a great day, and I will talk to you later. Make sure you like and subscribe.